Hey, this is Mr. Snyder from the library. Today you are going to be practicing using Office 365 and making sure that you can access your email, set up folders, create a document, and save it to OneDrive. To do this, you'll complete 5 specific tasks in OneDrive. You'll start by logging on to Office 365. Then you'll check your email. You'll create a folder in OneDrive. Then you'll make a document in Microsoft Word, and you'll save it to your OneDrive. Finally, you'll sync all your files from OneDrive to your laptop and spend any extra time organizing them. At your desk, you have a checklist of everything that you need to accomplish. The rest of this video will walk you through how to do each of these tasks. You can view them together as a class and then complete them independently, or you can view each task, pause this film, and then complete them together as a group. Your teacher will tell you how you are going to proceed. Once you have completed all the tasks, you will need to take this very short survey. This is a bit.ly link, so it is case sensitive. So make sure that you capitalize the H and the G, but all the other letters are lowercase. This will send you onto an Excel survey where you will be sharing basic information about everything that you accomplished today. Our goal is that you will be able to confidently use Office 365 and make sure that you have all your files saved onto OneDrive. Let's go ahead and get started. The easiest way to get to Office 365 is to open up Internet Explorer. In the address bar, type portal.office.com, click on Return, and that will take you to the Office 365 login. There you will need to enter in your Lake Washington School email address. Yours is your username, followed by @lwsd.org. Enter in your current password that you use on your laptop. And it's always a good idea to click Keep Me Signed In. That way you won't be signed out accidentally from Office 365 should you go between the different apps. Click on Sign In, and you will be taken to the main screen for Office 365, or the one that you've set as your default start screen. This is what the start screen for Office 365 looks like. To check your school email, log into Office 365. From the main Office 365 home screen, you can click on Mail, or you can go up to the app launcher, which sometimes people call the waffle, and select Mail. That will take you to your Outlook homepage. You need to make sure that you are saving all your files onto OneDrive. To get started, set up folders for all your files for each school year. From the Office 365 home screen, you can click on OneDrive, or you can go to the app launcher, or waffle, and select OneDrive from there. This will take you to your OneDrive where all your documents should be stored. To create a new folder, click on New, and select New Folder. The screen will now allow you to give that folder a name. Call it the current year of school that you're in, 6th, 7th, or 8th, and then click on Create. The folder will appear alphabetically or numerically in the list of other folders you have created. Now you can select that folder, and within it, create a different folder for each class. Make one for English, Social Studies, Science, or any class that you use Office 365 to create documents for. All of your folders that you created will appear in front of you. Let's practice saving something to OneDrive. Start Microsoft Word from your computer, and you're going to create a new document. You don't really need to type anything important. You could even just type New Document to make sure that this works. Once you've typed information into your document, go up to File, choose Save As, and you need to select the correct OneDrive folder to save your document. You can see here that I actually use OneDrive for many different services. I'm going to select the one that says OneDrive for Lake Washington School District. When you select it, recent folders that you use will come up. If you want to select a new folder, just click on Browse, and OneDrive will open up in a separate window. This is connecting to my online OneDrive account. Select the folder where you want to save your document, If you know there's subfolders within it, you can double click on it, select the appropriate folder, give that document a name, and then save it. This will save directly to your OneDrive folder. To make sure that it is saved to OneDrive, go back to Internet Explorer, select the folder from your OneDrive that you saved it to. I put mine in 6th grade and in science, and you can make sure that the file you just created is there. You can actually open the file from within OneDrive, and you can make any changes to the document right from within OneDrive itself. It does not require you to have that same program on your computer. To make using OneDrive even easier, you can sync it to your laptop. You should only do this on the main computer that you use, which is probably your student laptop. Start off in OneDrive by going to the app launcher and selecting OneDrive. At the top of OneDrive, you'll see several options. Next to New, where we created our new folder, you'll also see an option that says Sync. When you click Sync, this will start OneDrive syncing to your computer. You do need to click on Sync now, and occasionally some other software will need to install. You'll get this message when you know it's working, saying that your files are now syncing to OneDrive. You can always click Show My Files, but in case that you're not in that same window, you can just go down to the Windows Explorer folder there on your taskbar, select it, and you will now see the OneDrive folder listed underneath your favorites. Select OneDrive there to look at all of your folders. You can also create new folders, you can move files, and you can delete old files that you no longer need, all from this window. You can do all of the same things within OneDrive itself. Spend some time organizing your OneDrive folders and making sure that you have all the files that you need and that they are organized so that you can find them easily. If you were able to complete all the required tasks quickly and easily, there are a couple of other things you can do. Try starting Outlook from the computer, which means you go to your Start menu, and then you can sync all of your email to your computer. This could be a faster way to check your email so that you actually look at it regularly. I know in the library we send overdue and hold notices directly to your email. You can also spend some time organizing all of your files that you have saved to OneDrive, making sure that things are organized by school year, by subject, and that you have all the important files you need. Any files you don't need, especially larger ones, can be deleted from either OneDrive or from the folder that you sync to your laptop. If you need any other help using Office 365, you can now ask another classmate who's gone through the same activity, you can ask your teacher, or you can always stop by the library for extra help. Thank you.